Namaste. This is our team. Myself, B. Ramesh, studying 9th class.
Myself, P. Teja.
Myself, J. Swarup. Our project title is Smart Helmet with Alcohol Detection and Engine Lock System. Introduction.
Road safety is one of the most important concerns of today's world. Every year, thousands of people lose their life for not wearing helmet and driving under alcohol consumption. Even though there are strict laws and fines, many people neglect these safety instructions. Our project Smart Helmet gives a solution for this problem in a technical way. It ensures that the engine starts only when the driver wears a helmet and has not consumed any alcohol. It shows the information in an LCD display and a buzzer. The main aim of this is to encourage responsible driving in people. The following will be explained by my teammate.
Statement for this project is many people like driving carefully. Also, they in some situations like skidding or skipping on the road can cause severe injuries to their head and their minor parts of their body. So, causes for that are not many people in our surroundings are neglecting to wear helmet and they are consuming alcohol and they are driving their vehicles. So, preventing this, we developed this prototype while these effects of these accidents are head injuries and damage to our body parts. Further continued by my teammate. We use components in this project such as Arduino Uno microcontroller, MQ3 sensor, and we attach IR sensor in this helmet to detect alcohol smell, LCD display and engine starter, DC motor. IR sensor will detect that the person wears helmet or not. MQ3 sensor and DC motor, engine starter and adapter 12 volts, and we use jumper wires for connection. Further demonstration. It will shows no helmet because this boy not wears helmet.
Start.
We spray sanitizer on this. It will shows that alcohol is detected. Then the engine will stop, sir.
Sound out. Not detected.
Alcohol is not detected, so this DC motor will work, sir.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు ఆల్కహాల్ చూపించు.
Alcohol, so that it will stop. Alcohol detected, vehicle stop, and the engine will also stop.
ఓకే ఇప్పుడు అది తీసే.
To make compulsory to wear helmet before engine starts and to detect alcohol using MQ3 sensor, and also the system automatically stops when alcohol is detected and it displays warnings such as no helmet and alcohol is detected on the LCD display. It also gives a nearby people that alcohol is detected by a single buzzer. It will give sound. The remaining will complete by hand. Simple conclusion for this project is we made this project for only to reduce drunk and drive cases, and without wearing helmets there are many cases occurring. So prevent all these accidents, we made this project. This is the conclusion of this project. Thank you.